Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about a line of performance coil springs that have an impeccable track record as some of the best that you can get in the automotive aftermarket. They are built and designed by the team over at Eibach, and these right here are their Sportline performance coil springs. So in this video today, I'm going to review every single detail of these Sportline springs, including their construction, warranty, and of course, all the different ways that they can help increase the performance of your car. So here they are, guys, Eibach Sportline performance coil springs. Now, before I go ahead and get right into the details of these springs, let me go ahead and start off by saying if you haven't heard of Eibach before, you need to take some time and check them out. Eibach is a household name in the automotive aftermarket. This team has been designing and manufacturing some of the best performance suspension components for over 2 decades. Eibach is incredibly involved in almost every single facet of motorsport, and what they learn on the track, they apply to all the different parts that you can bolt up to your own car. From street performance, truck and off-road parts to even fully custom race springs. So if you need a performance suspension set up for your car or truck, you need to go ahead and check these guys out. But let's turn our attention to the coil springs that I have with me today. Again, these are Eibach Sportline performance coil springs, and the specific ones that I have with me on this bench fit all 15 to 18 Volkswagen GTIs. But I want to point out that this is obviously just one application of Sportline springs. Eibach manufactures Sportline kits for a long list of different vehicles. And to see if they have a set for your car or truck, head over to the site right now and enter in your year, make, and model to find out. But regardless of what you drive, there is one feature that is going to stay consistent across the board for all Sportline kits, and that is going to be the warranty. Eibach is so confident in their design and manufacturing process that they warranty these springs for 1 million miles. If you have any issues with manufacturing defects or even workmanship, they will either repair them, replace them, or even refund you the purchase price. Now again, the kit that I have with me today is designed to lower your VW GTI a total of 1.7 inches in the front and 1.6 in the rear. Now by decreasing the overall ride height of your car and the vehicle and lowering the center of gravity, this is going to go ahead and increase grip and provide better handling. But it's not just the lowering aspect that's going to help increase the overall handling of your car. Every single Sportline kit that Eibach manufactures is designed with the perfect progressive spring rate for your particular application. So not only will it lower your car to achieve that low aggressive stance, but it's also going to corner better, reduce braking distances, and even still ride relatively smooth on the street. And of course, Eibach is going to top everything off with their signature red powder coat, which just adds a really nice performance touch to any car, and it's also going to keep the metal protected. To wrap up today's video, if you're looking for a performance suspension kit for your Volkswagen GTI or any other vehicle for that matter, head over to CarID.com right now to check out this kit and to find out if Eibach makes a Sportline coil spring kit for your vehicle. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.